Lesson 5.4, angle-side relationship. We have a triangle called JKL. We have side lengths. We know KL is 11, LJ is 12, and JK is 4. Which statement about the angles of the triangle must be true? So the best thing here is to draw a picture. It does not have to be perfect. Let's just say this is KL. So I'll call this K, this L, this is 11. And then LJ needs to be a little longer than that. But JK is really short, so I better go this way. Still not going to be very good, but that's okay. And then that would be J. And then J to K is 4. Yeah, totally not proportional. What is cool about triangles is that the shortest side, which would be the 4, across from that is going to be the smallest angle. So this would be the smallest angle, and then the next would be 11. Across from that would be the next smallest, and then since 12 is the biggest side, K should be the biggest angle. So let's look at what they tell us. It has the measure of angle L needs to be greater than measure of angle K, needs to be greater than measure of angle J. So it's this is bigger than this, which is bigger than this. So this is really ordered greatest to least. So we need to do that again, make sure we're starting with the biggest angle. So you would start with the biggest side. Across from that, like if you were to stand and point into that, it'd be angle K should be first, and then across from the 11 is angle J, and then L, which would be this one. All right, and then we have another one. This time we're having degrees of the angles. We've got triangle MNO. Measure of angle M is 57, measure of angle N is 75. Which list has the sides of the triangle in order from shortest to longest? So let's draw a triangle here. Notice they're only giving us 2 of the measurements. I'm not going to even take time to worry about my angles. Let's just call this M, N, O. M is 57, N is 75. You need to figure out what the third angle is. So I would do 180 minus 57 minus 75, which is 48. Okay, and then these just are listed shortest to longest side. So find the smallest angle, which is the 48. Across from that would be side MN. Then the next biggest angle would be the 57. Across from that would be side ON. And then the biggest would be 75. Across from that is OM. And they can be switched up, of course. So MN, it's got to be this one. This one would be NO, same thing as ON, and then OM.